Hello everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 17 जिसका नाम है What You Do is What You Are. Let's start the discussion of book exercise by discussing questions related to reading comprehension first. So, first question is, what is McWhirter's tone? Illustrate it with few words and phrases that establish the tone. Answer: the tone of McWhirter is serious, critical, and heavy. She discourages the ways and norms by which people judge others today. Writer says by defining how a person earns his or her rent money, we validate or reject that person's existence. Hence, the writer shows disappointment and says anthropologists should study our uncatalogued system of awarding respect and deference to each other based on job we hold. Second question, what is the theme of the essay What You Do is What You Are? Answer: the theme of the essay is that we should reject social class system which prevails in society. One should not judge a person by other person's profession. Every person deserves equal respect. It doesn't matter a person is a janitor, garbage collector, a vice president, a doctor, a nurse, or a housewife. Hence, we should value people based on their contribution to the welfare society. Third question. McWhirter says that we define and judge ourselves according to the job we do. Do you agree? Why? Answer: yes, I agree that people are judged and defined according to the job they do. The criteria of giving respect to people in today's society is a mere job title. We look down upon certain professions like janitors, garbage collector, or a housewife as well. Every profession is important and respectable for shaping a society. Hence, one should not discriminate between the people depending on their professions or how they earn their rent money. Fourth question. What, according to McWhirter, is the attitude of people towards unemployed people? Answer: the attitude of people towards unemployed people is very humiliating. People refuse to validate the existence of people who do not have a recognizable job title attached to themselves. Writer says if an auto worker is laid off, people will have perspective about him that he is nothing in the present, but he used to be something, an auto worker. Hence, such people are ignored and are considered worthless in society. Fifth question. According to McWhirter, we separate the valued from valueless. Give some examples of your own if you agree with the writer. Answer: people who have a good lucrative jobs are considered a valued part of the society, and those who are not fortunate enough to get such good jobs are considered valueless in the society. For example, a teacher is considered to be of less value because he or she does not manage to earn that amount of money which an actor manages to earn. Doctor and nurse, both the professions are related to medical field, but a doctor is respected more than a nurse because a doctor earns more money as compared to a nurse. Sixth question. What makes a job or a career esteemed in the eyes of society and why? Answer: writer says a job which is highly lucrative, which gives one a profitable career, is considered esteemed in the eyes of society. Writer does not have any clue or answer for society's this mindset. In fact, she says, being clueless, that some anthropologists should study our uncatalogued system of awarding respect and deference to each other based on job one holds.